Hello traders, welcome back. So today this is one of the live trading video which I took on this particular scalping trade on the same account DNG0090 which we already discussed in this particular videos, right? So if you see today morning market, this was the low, right? Then market came here, this is the second touch. So first touch, second touch. After that at this particular candle, that is somewhere like if I look at the time frame, that is 10 o'clock and 14 minutes, I got a third touch candle, right? After that followed by a one small red candle which we called as a halt candle. See, a halt candle could be a green, could be red, which I already explained to you in the particular videos as well, right? So here what we are seeing, that market took a halt, and in that case whatever could be the high, somewhere here we have to take the entry for the put options. If the because market is going to fall down, right? So we're going to buy put options somewhere in range of 280 rupees to 320 rupees, which we have already discussed why, right? So now if I open the chart, see, if I already put a chart of 41,700 put option. I'll zoom it a bit. Yeah. So, now if you look here, what is the high of 1041 on which the third touch got? So if you look at the higher part here, you can see the highs and low. I'll just go to the candle, 10 o'clock and 14 minutes. The high is somewhere like 311. So somewhere there should be your buying price, right? Exactly. And after that, once the low would be broken on the spot chart, the put option will rise. And what happened? Instead of getting me 10-20 points of scalp, market moved really fast and I got a really good spike. In that case, now I'll trail my stop loss. If it comes down, it will hit my stop loss. But currently market is moving up and I'm sitting on a good profits. So what's the current running profit? It is somewhere like 1 lakh, above 1 lakh, let's say plus 1 lakh. And you can see same 41,700 put. Now when you go to the order book, you can see at the same time 10 o'clock and 40 minutes, 10 o'clock and 40 minutes, you can see I put the trade 308, 309 was the limit price where I put my 1,800 quantity, because currently for the November month I'm running with 1,900 quantities, sorry 800 quantities. That is 2 lot for the frizzy limit, that is 2 frizzy limit for the bank nifty part. So you can see, and even if you see here on the chart, now currently if the market is moving up, I trail my stop loss. If it falls, it will give me a exit, but still I'm looking to book at least more than 1 lakh in this particular trade. Now what second thing what we have to notice is the limit price. It is showing the limit price of 302, sorry, average price is 302. It's not actually 302, because if you come to the order book, I already took one trade here in which I took a small SL, same 10 points SL, right? So I bought and I took 10 point SL, 308 I bought, 290, that is 10 point down, I took my SL. For that reason it is showing average price on the lower side. So basically it is on the higher side. So this is how you'll be trailing and making some small good profits using scalping trade. See, this is some sort of trades which will come eventually, and this is not something which I planned for, because if you can check on 4th of November I recorded the last video using I was explaining the setup, and today is the 7th, 5th and 6th was holiday. So it was nothing planned. As soon as the setup form, I took a trade and I show you the results, right? In the morning when I try to took in the morning, I'll show that part as well when it formed. So we'll go to spot chart again and I'll show you where I try to took the trade. So here, instead of this, if I open the future chart, so I'll just open bank nifty futures. Just give me a second. Yeah, if I go to bank nifty futures, now if you come here, you can see 3 halts here as well. Yeah, okay, let me adjust the chart. Yeah, now you can see this is the bank nifty chart of futures. Why futures? Because you can spot the entry price on spot or future, doesn't matter. So what I saw here is this was the level, right? So market came, became our first touch, then market came, became our second touch, then market came here at the same price. So this is our third touch, and this red candle was the halt candle, right? So I put my entry, so my entry got triggered on this particular candle, right? And as soon as the entry got, the market came, show some small spike, and then it reversed. In that case my SL went, so I got my 10 points of SL in this particular trade. But doesn't matter, after that I again found a good opportunity here in this particular case. But now on future you're not seeing 3 levels, right? Here there are only 1 and 2 touch. But if you open same on the spot chart, right, that is Nifty Bank, you'll see easily we were getting the trade which we took. So this is how we'll be trading on this particular setup, and I'll try to post more videos, because one video is not going to act as a good reference point. So I'll try to post as much as videos I could on this particular setup. So if you see here on bank nifty spot, here we are able to see easily the 3 touches. So it doesn't matter where you actually watching the charts. If you're getting it on futures or on spot, everything is okay. You can trade on nifty, you can trade on bank nifty. I spotted today Nifty, I took the trade. So I'll try to post more videos because one video will not act as a good reference point. So I'll try to post more number of trades which I'll be taking on this particular setup so that you can see the potential which it can create. One trade profit, one trade loss is not going to define either the setup is good or bad. Okay, so you have to take multiple trades. I have shown you my results for more than 1 year. So you also here have to focus on this particular part, because even if I show you my current panel, okay, so let's go to, see, I'm opening my console here again. So I'll just show you what was the profit for the last month, because why it is not loading. Yeah, sorry for the disturbance, but again, see, if you see, this is my account. Again, I'll show Rohit Palsipingulkar. Again, I'll refresh it in front of you one more time. You can see hi Rohit. Here also we'll again confirm. So this is my account, and then we'll go to the panel and we go to futures and options, and we'll choose the month of October, right? So if you see here, because last time I tried to load, it got failed, so again I start the recording again. So if you see, within this 1 month, again I'll refresh this part as well. Okay, so there should be no confusion at all. So if you saw in last 1 year, from like September to August, I was able to make somewhere like 10.6 lakhs. But if you see on smaller account, I started growing and slowly the account started increasing. Now within 1 month, the profit is from somewhere like 2.8 lakh, right? So what you have to see, you have to see on the particular setup, you have to focus on the setup, you have to focus on the perfection in that particular setup. Because once the market starts moving in your favor, right, that means once you get that hand on this particular setup, your quantity will definitely increase with time and you will see a good profits as well, right? Now October month, we did quite good. You'll see profit, you'll see losses. See, every day there will be profit and losses, right? But what you have to see, you have to take minimum losses, you have to follow the risk management, you have to follow the money management, everything you have to follow, and you'll be seeing the result. Don't worry about that. Okay, so I hope this video at least acted as some sort of reference point, and definitely I'll try to create more such videos. So till then, stay tuned and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Here, because last time I tried to load, it got failed, so again I start the recording again. So if you see, within this 1 month, again I'll refresh this part as well. Okay, so there should be no confusion at all. So if you saw in last 1 year, from like September to August, I was able to make somewhere like 10.6 lakhs. But if you see on smaller account, I started growing and slowly the account started increasing. Now within 1 month, the profit is from somewhere like 2.8 lakh, right? So what you have to see, you have to see on the particular setup, you have to focus on the setup, you have to focus on the perfection in that particular setup. Because once the market starts moving in your favor, right, that means once you get that hand on this particular setup, your quantity will definitely increase with time and you will see a good profits as well, right? Now October month, we did quite good. You'll see profit, you'll see losses. See, every day there will be profit and losses, right? But what you have to see, you have to take minimum losses, you have to follow the risk management, you have to follow the money management, everything you have to follow, and you'll be seeing the result. Don't worry about that. Okay, so I hope this video at least acted as some sort of reference point, and definitely I'll try to create more such videos. So till then, stay tuned and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.